Tyhook sleeping. Ty woke up and saw his husband is sleeping. Ty, baby, wake up, JK, no, let me sleep. Ty, sleep well, baby, I'm going to office. If you need anything, then call me. JK, Time skip. Just now, JK woke up. After morning routine, JK eating continuously. JK, I should do something, then only I can spend time with him. Ty, come home. JK, now surely K will come home suddenly, JK. JK, I only told my husband to come to me, not you, little. JK, Ty, come home, boss, our baby is coming. Ty, he's just going to hospital and he's so tensed. Time skip. It's a baby boy.